Let us move another problem. Design a highway pavement for a wheel load of 4100 kg with a tire pressure of 5 kg per centimeter square by McLeod method. The plate bearing test is carried out. Subgrade soil using 30 centimeter diameter plate yielded a pressure of 2.5 kg per centimeter square. After 10 repetitions of load at 0.5 cm deflection. So solution. So as you know that radius of contact area small a equals to always square root of p divided by small p capital P divided by small p into pi. We know p value. P value is here in this problem 4100 kg divided by tire pressure is p, nothing but 5 here. So we get 16.1, that is the radius of contact area. So parameter over the area, we know that p by a, that is so equals to 2 by a small a. So small a is 16.1, so 2 divided by 16.1 is 0.124. So we have to use figure 7.20. Ratio of unit subgrade support is 32.2 cm diameter. Why it is 32.2 cm? We can see here figure 7.20. Here the parameter area p by a. So these are the values, that is p by a values. These are the lines which is curves are deflection curves, and here are the diameter of the plates. So first one is here 20, this is 30, 37.5, 45. Okay, the ratio it is given. So our deflection value is 0.5 in this problem, because it is clearly given 0.5 centimeter deflection for a 10 repetitions of load. So it is given in the problem. So 0.5 means this line, 0.5 line, and we know the p by a value. P by a value is 0.124, means here it is 0.12. This line, actually this is 0.12 and this is 0.16, means somewhere here 0.124. okay, and so if it is coming here in between, means this is 30, so I will take 32.2 somewhere here. So this is diameter is 32.2, and if you come and just see along this 0.5 deflections, so we have to take this ratio is 0.95. okay, this is the p by a ratio. These are the ratios p by a. So in this problem we get 0.124, means somewhere this is 0.12 somewhere here, and this is the deflection line 0.15, this is the line, and if 0.124 if it is coincide somewhere here, this is the diameter of plate 37.5, so in between here, so I will take 32.2. So if you come straight and just if you meet this 0.15 line, so you can take this ratio is 0.95 I will take. So using figure 7.20, the ratio of unit subgrade support on 32.2 cm diameter plate at 0.5 cm deflection is 0.995. So therefore unit support 0.5 cm deflection into the yield pressure. Yield pressure is given in the problem is 2.5. So if it is 2.5 multiplied by 0.95, it is 2.44 kg per centimeter square, that is the pressure unit. So next design subgrade support, that is 32.2 cm diameter plate, which is obtained from that graph 7.29. So therefore S equals to 2.44, that is yield pressure, into pi into d square. D is nothing but here the diameter of plate, that is 32.2 square divided by 4. So we get 2100 kg. So base course constant 32.2 cm diameter plate is obtained from 7.19 figure is 90. So 90 how we obtain? By using this 7.9 relation between plate diameter and base course constant. This is the bearing plate diameter, okay, and this is the base course constant. So this is 25 and this is 50, so our is 32.2. so somewhere here if you go this line, so it will coincide somewhere here, so I will take 90 is the base course constant. So from figure 7.19 it is 90. So granular pavement thickness T is as we know K is to K into log base P by S. So 90 log P by S is P is the tire pressure 4100 and this is the yield pressure 2100. So we get 26 cm. So out of 26 cm we can only provide 5 cm bituminous surface.